related to the section of the this is very important. And you should be very much clear about it. उसकी एक एक शब्द को पकड़ो. You know the meaning. I just give you an example. मैं कहीं वाइवा दे रहा हूँ. And the topic of that project was recruitment and selection. And that fellow came with his project. I simply asked a question to him. Can you tell me what is recruitment and what is selection? And that fellow was unable to explain the term recruitment and selection. So think over it. A person who is not aware about the meaning of his topic, how you will confirm that the project which he is submitting is his original project? Or he will say something about that project, what it is written in. So this part is very important. That's why I'm saying that when you select the project, when you select the topic, you be confirmed on it. Whatever words are given in that particular topic, whether exactly I'm knowing the meaning or not. वो आपको क्या करेगा? वो आपको एक रास्ता बताएगा, एक लैंडमार्क बताएगा, कहाँ जाना है. हम आप कभी घर से बाहर निकलते हैं तो सबसे पहले उस डेस्टिनेशन पॉइंट के बारे में जानना चाहते हैं. वो डेस्टिनेशन पॉइंट क्या है? और सिर्फ इतना ही नहीं, अगर हमें नहीं पता है तो हम 10 लोगों से पूछते हैं, नहीं मुझे यहाँ जाना है, आपको पता है क्या? आपको पता है क्या? अगर उन्होंने बताया, उसके बाद भी हम कंफर्म नहीं होते, हम किसी दूसरे से पूछते हैं.